Hey guys, welcome back to King Boss. In this video, we are going to solve 3 by 3 but with filters. So let's get right into it. First filter and let's scramble the cube. So let's identify, let's go and let's figure out this is the white side and this is the green side. So let's, yes, this is a piece. No, uh, yeah, this. And I think this will go here. And next one, yes, I think the cross is ready. I will be using the beginner method because I can't recognize the pieces at the moment very quickly. Yes, this is right. I think this might go here. No, this then might. Yes, I got a full pair. No, not here. Not here. I think this might be a yellow case because it's not a kind of a thing. This also might be yellow. I have to find the pieces. I think this might work here. Yes. This one, let's see. Oh my god. I have such a good luck. I got just a made F12 play. Let's go with the next one. Might be the next one. Yes, luck. Guys, I have a really good luck. This might be good. This might no. I'm going to just try every single now. Yes. No, this not this one. This one. Yes. Let's go. Well, let's do. I can't recognize this. Uh, uh, uh. I think this is solved. Let's take a look. Yes, we have successfully were able to solve the queue in the first filter. I think I might just have a case like this where I just change some of the pieces accidentally. So let's move on to the second filter. Guys, this is the second filter. Let's scramble cube. In this filter, red and the orange looks just red. So let's do it. So I think I would assume this is the white, and let's try every single. No, I am good. No, no. I think this is a piece. This will go not here. Okay, nice. Let's find this one. Okay, I think this is not right. Yeah. Okay, let's do this. This was also not that escape. For I think the cross is done, guys. Let's move to F12. I think these pieces might work together. Yes, nice. I think guys, this is might be changed with this. Nice. I was going for a pure gamble at this moment. I think this will go here. I don't think that. No, this will not go here. Okay, nice. Let's go for the these pair. I think these are the pieces I have to use for this pair. This one. Okay, let's go for the next one. This is not the piece. I can even say that. No. This should be replaced. Whether anti-zoom and then to look PR. I think this is correct. Let's see the result. Oh my God. I have a really good luck, guys. 2 of 2. Let's move on to the third filter. Guys, this is the third filter. Let's solve the cube. I think this is the right side. So there's this here, I think, and this one here. Let's do this here, please. No, this is not right. Okay. Okay. No. Okay. I think cross is done. No, not this one. Yes. One more piece. Let's go this one. Then and let's try this one here. I think this one will go here. Yes. I think this will go here. Okay. I think this one should go here. And this piece here. Normal oil. And look here. I got the H-pen. Right, let's guys check the result. Guys, I have a next level luck that I was able to solve the key in the all three filters. Let's move on to the fourth filter. Guys, this is the fourth filter. Let's like sample the queue. Okay, let's recommend. I think this is the white side. Okay, let's do this. The yellow. Okay, white was done. And yes. Okay. Which case is this? I can't take it. I'm going to do for this. No, it's not that. And this. Which case is this? Block here, no block there. What is this? Let's check the result, guys. Guys, I was able to solve the game in this one. I think this one was a little on the easier side as the color was much more recognizable, but because of the kind of filter and the lighting here where I shoot, the color was very reflected, and it just that way took a little more time to solve the cube. Guys, this is the next filter. You will think this is the same filter as the fuzzer, but the color are more darker in this one and very less to recognize. This might be the harder one, so let's try this. As per my strategy with the last few filters, I will be trying to find the white center. I think this one is the white center, and which one is the white edge piece? I'm going with this one. Okay. Okay. I think this might go here. This piece, this particular edge piece here. And let's see the edge one. Does this match here? Yes, let's try this. I think this works. So let's find this edge piece. So I'm just going to try every edge piece. No. 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 I think let's try this one. I think this works. This might be the correct piece. I might be wrong also. Let's see. Let's do this corner. Let's try this. No. This. No. This. No. Yes. This works. Let's. I think this might go here because these shades also look pretty same, and these shades also. Let's do this, and I think this is the last edge piece, and that no, this is not normal OLNPL. This. Let's check the results, guys. Yes, guys, we were able to solve the cube in every filter. I think this was completely based on the luck that I was able to recognize the colors. I think that the filter before this one was a little easy, and rest were very difficult. I think this one was the most difficult filter out of the bunch. Guys, if you think this is very easy, go and try it yourself and write in the comments how much you took time to do it. So thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like and subscribe, and I see you guys in the next one with another channel with another challenge. See you soon, guys. Thank you.